There are a couple places in this word that can be difficult. Let's start with the I sound. Make sure it's not inferred, it's in. The sides of your tongue will go this way. You should feel your teeth on the sides of your tongue. Also, the very front of your tongue, right here, will go down, sort of by behind your bottom tooth. The middle and the back of your tongue will go up. In. The next part with the R. The back of your tongue is high. The front of your tongue is going to curl. Infer. Lastly, the D sound. Make sure your throat is vibrating. It's not inferred, it's inferred. My throat is vibrating to make the D sound. Inferred.